Hi, I'm Henry with Early Bird Pest Control. Today I'm going to be doing a residential stop, initial service. What I'm going to do is look for various harborage areas for various pests here in Arizona. That'd be scorpions, crickets, cockroaches, ants, spiders, etc. And just give the property a thorough going over, flush out everything I can, and make sure that the areas are no longer inhabitable with our pests here in Arizona. As you can see, what I do is systematically go around the property, look for harborage areas, flush out all the things I see, any possibilities of ant trails, things like that. I'm doing an inspection as I'm going along, looking for future problems, evidence of rodent activity, things like that. I understand we'll be doing a little bit of rodent control over on the other side of the house. So yeah, what I do is a very thorough service. Right now I'm in Goodyear. I do West Valley, Phoenix, North Scottsdale, Central Scottsdale, North Phoenix, Central Phoenix, Buckeye, Verrado. Pretty much a pretty wide area that I cover.